It's Maya with
Myson.
her name's Megan, but she's my aunt. She's my favorite aunt in the whole entire world. My two other aunts are here, but anyways, sorry for the noise in the back and stuff, because if you can hear BTS, yeah.
It's not noise.
Comment down below if you like slime and BTS, or if you like one of them, or yeah. So we're going to be doing a challenge where we have to pick a number out, and then we're going to add that. Well, we're going to add that to the slime. Yeah. So let's get into it. Okay. Aunt's gonna go first. And what number did? She's number 5. Number 5 is right here, so you're gonna pick a color and save it till you get your slime like made. So she's gonna dye hers purple after her slime is made, so at the end of the video. So now we are done with that. My turn. I got number 11. I'm looking and I got shaving cream. So. Okay, so we have to leave that there just in case you need it too. So let me mix it. I'll be right back. Okay, now my aunt's gonna pick again. And yeah. 2. She dropped it. 2 is the beads. I hope I get number 3. I like the beads. You don't have to put all of them in. Is that good?
Okay, 3 more. I lied.
Okay, look, there's the Valentine beads. They're pretty cool. So, number 4. Dang it, I was so close to 3. Oh no! I'm scared to add Purell because because it's Purell. So I'm adding 2 squirts, and we do not need to put that one back in. We don't need to put that one back in. Okay, now my aunt is gonna pick again. Sorry, what? Outtakes, okay.